Thousands of years ago, humans were looking at the night sky and enjoying the view. But now, things are different. Humans managed to travel to the closest celestial body to Earth, which is Moon, on July 20, 1969. After the Moon, the closest planet to Earth is Mars. Many people thought that we would have gone there by now, but sadly, no, not yet. Although robots and spacecrafts and rovers have been able to go to Mars, humans haven't still been able to step on Mars. So, if you were able to travel to Mars, how long will it take? How much distance you will have to cover? What is the most energy efficient pathway to reach Mars? In this video, let's find answers to these questions.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Science Orzo.
Every 26 months, Earth and Mars orient at the closest ever position from each other, which is roughly around 57 million kilometers apart. During this short period of time, if an aircraft were to leave Earth at a velocity of 58,000 kilometers per hour, it would take a little over 40 days to go there. Pretty great, right? But this calculation was done assuming that the planets were not moving around their orbits. You know, every second the Earth is rotating and Mars is rotating too. Meanwhile, both planets are going around its orbit. Traveling to Mars is way more complicated than just a straight line as I showed. The orbital mechanics of the solar system make this really complex. Since Earth and Mars have elliptical orbits, the distance between them varies with time. In order to send a spacecraft to Mars with minimum energy loss, the planets have to be aligned just right. It takes 1 year for Earth to orbit around the Sun. For Mars, it takes around 1.9 years to orbit the Sun. So when Mars goes around the Sun once, Earth will go almost twice. So the closest distance between the two planets comes around every 26 months. So how to send a rocket with highest energy efficiency? No, it won't be a straight line as I mentioned before. Scientists name the most efficient pathway as the HOHMANN Transfer Orbit, and it looks something like this. So the spacecraft goes in an elliptical orbit around the Sun which intersects the orbit of Mars. So the spacecraft starts from here, goes all the way to here and meet Mars, so it lands there. The rocket uses fuel to accelerate and decelerate at correct times. This journey takes roughly around 260 days, although it's the most efficient path. So NASA and the scientists are trying to build more efficient propulsion systems which can make us go there earlier than 260 days. Time is one of many obstacles which makes us stop from going to Mars. Not only that, we also have to solve problems like oxygen, food, water and other resources which can increase the mass of the rocket. Managing all these things, NASA says that we can send humans to Mars by 2030. Elon Musk says the same. Do you think that will happen? Well, that's for another video. Can humans colonize Mars? Subscribe and stay in touch with our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.